Welcome to Favorite Flow Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. Welcome to our visualization meditation for healing the lineage across time. The intention of this meditation is to release inherited and carried energies across timelines, to restore balance, and to anchor into present-day sovereignty. We invite you to close your eyes and begin to soften your breath. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Now imagine yourself as a bridge between Earth and the cosmos. Roots extending deep into the earth as your ancestral lineage. Light extending upward into the cosmos, which represents your soul's journey across time. You are centered in the present moment, where all timelines meet. Affirm to yourself, I am grounded in the present. I honor all paths that brought me here. Now gently open your awareness. Behind you is your ancestors. Around you is your present life. Beyond where you currently are is your past life as it echoes your soul experiences. See all of this as a web of light. Some threads feel smooth and bright. Others feel heavy or tangled. You do not need to know the stories. Just allow yourself to feel the energy. Affirming to yourself, I witness all timelines without attachment. I release the need to carry what is complete. Now visualize a river of bright, luminous light flowing through all timelines, through your ancestors, through all of your past life experiences, through your present body. Where there is density, it softens. Where there is pain, it is held and transformed. Nothing is forced, and everything is allowed to return to balance. Affirming to yourself, I release all energy that no longer serves my highest truth. Across all timelines, with ease and grace. Now bring your awareness to your heart. Watch as a golden light begins to glow. This represents your present day consciousness and your sovereignty. Allow this light to expand into your ancestors, offering peace, into past lives, offering closure and release, back into your body, restoring your full energy. Feel yourself becoming whole, not fragmented across time, and affirm to yourself, I call my energy back from all timelines, restored, integrated, and aligned. See any remaining threads of heaviness gently dissolving, returning to source, to earth, to light. Nothing is destroyed, only transformed and returned. Now, place your hand over your heart or womb, which represents your solar plexus, and affirm to yourself, I release what is not mine to carry. I reclaim my energy in its pure and whole form. Now see your timeline moving forward, clearer, lighter, and more intentional. Because of your awareness, your presence, and your choice, you are no longer bound. You are creating. Now affirm to yourself, I move forward in clarity, truth, and peace. My energy is mine across all time. Now take a deep breath in and slowly release. Feel your body, your space, and your presence. You are here. You are whole. You are grounded in the now. So whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes, giving gratitude to you for joining us in this visualization meditation to heal the lineage across time. May you continue to flow in favor, peace,